right, Pumpkin, you have to move. I love you. Yes, you're such a good boy. You're so good. You're so good boy. Mwah! I love you so much. He doesn't like it when you love him. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. I'm LacquoraSmith. I drink too much coffee, except for the fact that I haven't drank that much coffee today. I've only had 1 cup and I really need some more. So I'm gonna sit and get through this so that I can go get a cup of coffee. Okay, what are we doing today? What are we doing today? What are we doing today? I don't know. I am going to go in with the Watermelon Ciaté London Hydrating Primer. So how are you guys? We had, like, was it last night or the night before? It was the night before, 2 nights ago. We had a tornado watch here where we live. We're up in New Hampshire, if you didn't know. New Hampshire, USA. But we had a tornado watch. So we had a tornado watch, which was kind of crazy. And then when I woke up the next morning, yesterday morning, there was branches everywhere. And this is the Purlisse BB Cream, by the way. There's branches everywhere, and there was one big broken down branch in our chicken run, our chicken coop. It wasn't as bad as like some of the my other friends. They like lost power for 2 days, but we had our power flicker, but it didn't actually go out, which was good. Pumpkin, you make this so difficult. So I'm just going to go back in with a little bit more of the BB cream because it is light coverage and I just want to build it up a little bit on my cheeks. This is the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer. Pumpkin, please stop. Thank you for listening to me for once in your life. So now I'm gonna go in with the number 7 Lift and Luminate Triple Action Translucent Finishing Powder. That is a long name for powder. She's gonna lay down right there, huh, Pumpkin? Oh, my aunt got me this book. Oh, I have to show it to you. It's Little Moments of Love by Cantina Comics. Cantina? I don't know how to pronounce that. And it's like a little comic book collection of them. And I love it. I'm halfway through. I love this couple. So if you're not into comic books, you probably won't like it. But the book looks like this. Little Moments of Love, it's called. And it just has little comics of their relationship. It's so stinking cute. Here, where's one that's my favorite? I'll show you one. Here's one. Down for some Netflix and chill? Oh yeah, she says. And then it's just them cuddling under a blanket. They're just really cute little lovies that make me think of my hubby. I got a Roomba. Oh my gosh. I'll start her up. I'll get the googly eyes, she says. Brr, amazing.
they're so stinking cute. I love them. Okay, that's all.
Yeah, they're just adorable. Did I do my whole face? I did do my whole face. I am gonna go in with the Butter Bronzer because can't go wrong with that, right? And while I have the Butter Bronzer out, I'm going to take a super big blending brush for the eyes and just kind of haphazardly do it up. Yep, just like that. I'm gonna go in with the Burts Bees in Bare Peach blush. Okay, and so then I'm gonna take my finger and I'm just going to swipe some of that Bare Peach on the eyes as well. Just like that. I'm gonna take my big blender brush again and just quickly blend those two together. And then I'm gonna take my highlighter. I'm pretty sure I have Pumpkin's hair all over my face right now and I can't. Okay, so I'm gonna take my Ofra highlighter in Glazed Donut and hit my high points. This is like my quick, super fast, when I don't want to think about it look. I just grab the blush and the bronzer that's on top of my drawer, and I use it for my look and my eyes. And it gets me out the door, I guess. This is the Hard Candy Deep Sea liner. I'm going to use the Flower Beauty Draw a Line brow pencil. I love the spoolie on the Flower Beauty one. Okay. For lashes, I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Mega Wear Mascara first. And then I'm going to go in with the Tarte C Surfer Curl on top. Alright, so there's that. I just did the Wet n Wild, it looks like this, Mega Wear lashes first, and then I went on top with the Tarte Surfer Curl. I like this combo a lot. It looks nice. I like it. Yeah. And then last but not least, we have lips. And for lips, I do have something new to try. It's by Sapphire Botanicals. It is their Quench in Crimson Long Lasting Velvet Lip and Cheek Crayon. It looks like this, and that is red. Okay. Well, we're gonna test it out. Okay. Well, I kind of really like this lip crayon, actually. It went on really smooth, and it doesn't feel like it's gonna move all over my mouth at all. It's pretty matte, but like not matte feeling. It's comfortable. It's really cozy on the lips. I don't like how harsh that looks. There. Yeah. So, this lip is a win for me right now. I'm digging it. And it looks good with this makeup look. What do you think? So this is the complete look. It's pretty light. It's pretty summery. It's pretty bronzy. I think I want to add a little bit more bronzer. What do you think of it? What do you think, guys? Do we like it? Do we love it? Do we want to wear it? Okay, Bailey. Anyways, that was all for today's sit down, get ready with me. Didn't really talk that much. I kind of just powered through this look, huh? Well, I really like this lip. What do you think? In case you wanted to know, it is Sapphire Beauty or Sapphire Botanicals. It looks like this. I love it. I like it. I like it a lot. I think I wear it more often. It makes my teeth look really white too. Anyways, that's all for this one, guys. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Join our little community that we have going here, a little happy spot on the interwebs, as I like to say. And until next time, bye.